بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
حميم. تنزيل من الرحمن الرحيم.
This, i.e., the Quran, is a revelation of the most gracious, the most merciful.
كتاب فصلت آياته قرآنا عربيا لقوم يعلمون.
A book, the verses of which are explained in detail. The Quran is in Arabic for the people of intellect.
بشيرا ونذيرا فأعرض أكثرهم فهم لا يسمعون.
A giver of glad tidings and warning, so most of them turned away, hence they do not listen to it attentively.
وقالوا قلوبنا في أكنة مما تدعونا إليه وفي آذاننا وقر ومن بيننا وبينك حجاب فاعمل إننا عاملون.
And they say, our hearts are covered against the matter towards which you call us, and there is deafness in our ears, and there is barrier between us and you. So, you do your work, and we do our work.
قل إنما أنا بشر مثلكم يوحى إلي أنما إلهكم إله واحد فاستقيموا إليه واستغفروه وويل للمشركين.
Say you, O beloved, in being human, physically I am like you. I receive revelation that your God is only one God. Therefore, be upright in his majestic court and seek forgiveness from him, and destruction is to the polytheists.
الذين لا يؤتون الزكاة وهم بالآخرة هم كافرون.
Those who do not give zakah, and they are deniers of the hereafter.
إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم أجر غير ممنون.
Indeed, those who believed and did good deeds, for them is a limitless reward.
قل أئنكم لتكفرون بالذي خلق الأرض في يومين وتجعلون له أندادا ذلك رب العالمين.
Say you, O beloved, do you people disbelieve in him who created the earth in 2 days, and you appoint equals to him? He is the Lord of all the worlds.
وجعل فيها رواسي من فوقها وبارك فيها وقدر فيها أقواتها في 4 أيام سواء للسائلين.
And therein he placed mountains as anchors from above it, and kept blessings therein, and appointed sustenance for those who dwell therein. All this in 4 days, a proper answer to those who question.
ثم استوى إلى السماء وهي دخان فقال لها وللأرض ائتيا طوعا أو كرها قالتا أتينا طائعين.
He then intended towards the creation of the heaven, and it was smoke. He henceforth said to it and to the earth, both of you present yourselves willingly or unwillingly. They said, we present ourselves willingly.
فقضاهن 7 سماوات في يومين وأوحى في كل سماء أمرها وزينا السماء الدنيا بمصابيح وحفظا ذلك تقدير العزيز العليم.
He then formed them into 7 heavens in 2 days, and to each heaven He sent its task, and we decorated the lower heaven with lamps, and for protection. This is measured by the Most Honorable, the All-Knowing.
فإن أعرضوا فقل أنذرتكم صاعقة مثل صاعقة عاد وثمود.
Then if they turn away their faces, so say you, O beloved, I warn you of a thunderbolt like the thunderbolt which came upon the tribes of Ad and Thamud.
إذ جاءتهم الرسل من بين أيديهم ومن خلفهم ألا تعبدوا إلا الله قالوا لو شاء ربنا لأنزل ملائكة فإنا بما أرسلتم به كافرون.
When the messengers walked around them, front and behind, saying that, do not worship anyone except Allah, they said, had our Lord willed, so He would have sent down angels. We therefore deny whatever you have been sent with.
فأما عاد فاستكبروا في الأرض بغير الحق وقالوا من أشد منا قوة أولم يروا أن الله الذي خلقهم هو أشد منهم قوة وكانوا بآياتنا يجحدون.
So, as for Ad, they unjustly displayed arrogance in the land, and they said, who is more powerful than us? Did they not know that Allah, who created them, is more powerful than them? And they used to deny our verses.
فأرسلنا عليهم ريحا صرصرا في أيام نحسات لنذيقهم عذاب الخزي في الحياة الدنيا ولعذاب الآخرة أخزى وهم لا ينصرون.
We consequently sent a violently thundering wind towards them in their days of misfortune, in order to make them taste a disgraceful punishment in the life of this world. And indeed, the greatest disgrace is in the punishment of the hereafter, and they will not be helped.
وأما ثمود فهديناهم فاستحبوا العمى على الهدى فأخذتهم صاعقة العذاب الهون بما كانوا يكسبون.
And as for the Thamud, we showed them the right path, so they chose to be blind above being guided. Therefore, the thunderbolt of the disgraceful punishment was inflicted upon them, the punishment of their doings.
ونجينا الذين آمنوا وكانوا يتقون.
And we rescued those who believed and were fearful.
ويوم يحشر أعداء الله إلى النار فهم يوزعون.
And on the day when the enemies of Allah are driven towards the fire, the earlier groups will be stopped till the latter join them.
حتى إذا ما جاءوها شهد عليهم سمعهم وأبصارهم وجلودهم بما كانوا يعملون.
To the extent that when they will reach there, their ears and their eyes and their skins will testify against their doings.
وقالوا لجلودهم لم شهدتم علينا قالوا أنطقنا الله الذي أنطق كل شيء وهو خلقكم أول مرة وإليه ترجعون.
And they will say to their skins, why did you testify against us? They will say, Allah has made us talk, who has given speaking power to all things, and it is He who created you the first time, and it is towards only Him you are to return.
وما كنتم تستترون أن يشهد عليكم سمعكم ولا أبصاركم ولا جلودكم ولكن ظننتم أن الله لا يعلم كثيرا مما تعملون.
And how could you hide from this, that your ears and your eyes and your skins may not testify against you? But you had thought that Allah does not know many of your deeds.
وذلكم ظنكم الذي ظننتم بربكم أرداكم فأصبحتم من الخاسرين.
And this is your assumption which you had regarding your Lord, and it had ruined you. So you are now amongst those who have been defeated.
فإن يصبروا فالنار مثوى لهم وإن يستعتبوا فما هم من المعتبين.
Then if they are patient, so the fire is their home, and if they beg for appeasement, no one will agree to their pleading for appeasement.
وقيضنا لهم قرناء فزينوا لهم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم وحق عليهم القول في أمم قد خلت من قبلهم من الجن والإنس إنهم كانوا خاسرين.
And we appointed some companions for them, who made what is before them and what is after them seem good in their, i.e., disbelievers' eyes. And the word of punishment was decreed upon them along with the groups of jinn and humans who had already gone before them. They were indeed losers.
وقال الذين كفروا لا تسمعوا لهذا القرآن والغوا فيه لعلكم تغلبون.
And the disbelievers said, do not listen to this Quran and make absurd noise in it, i.e., when it is recited, perhaps you dominate in this way.
فلنذيقن الذين كفروا عذابا شديدا ولنجزينهم أسوأ الذي كانوا يعملون.
So we will indeed definitely make the disbelievers taste severe punishment, and we will indeed repay them for their worst deeds.
ذلك جزاء أعداء الله النار لهم فيها دار الخلد جزاء
This is the recompense of Allah's enemies, the fire. They have to stay therein forever, the punishment of this, that they used to deny our verses.
وقال الذين كفروا ربنا أرنا الذين أضلانا من الجن والإنس نجعلهما تحت أقدامنا ليكونا من الأسفلين.
And the disbelievers said, O our Lord, show us both amongst the jinn and humans who misled us, that we may put them beneath our feet, that they remain in the lowest of hell.
إن الذين قالوا ربنا الله ثم استقاموا تتنزل عليهم الملائكة ألا تخافوا ولا تحزنوا وأبشروا بالجنة التي كنتم توعدون.
Indeed, those who said Allah is our Lord, then remained firm upon it, the angels descend upon them saying that, do not fear nor grieve, and be happy for the paradise which you were promised.
نحن أولياؤكم في الحياة الدنيا وفي الآخرة ولكم فيها ما تشتهي أنفسكم ولكم فيها ما تدعون.
The angels say, we are your friends in the life of this world and in the hereafter, and therein for you is that which your hearts desire, and therein for you is that what you ask for.
نزلا من غفور رحيم.
hospitality from the most forgiving, the most merciful.
ومن أحسن قولا ممن دعا إلى الله وعمل صالحا وقال إنني من المسلمين.
And whose speech is better than he who calls towards his Lord and does righteous deeds and says, I am a Muslim.
ولا تستوي الحسنة ولا السيئة ادفع بالتي هي أحسن فإذا الذي بينك وبينه عداوة كأنه ولي حميم.
And the good deed and the evil deed will never be equal. O listener, repel evil with goodness. Thereupon the one between whom and you there was enmity will become like a close friend at that time.
وما يلقاها إلا الذين صبروا وما يلقاها إلا ذو حظ عظيم.
And no one receives this wealth except those who are patient, and no one attains this except the one who is extremely fortunate.
وإما ينزغنك من الشيطان نزغ فاستعذ بالله إنه هو السميع العليم.
And if there comes to you from the devil an evil suggestion, so seek refuge in Allah. Indeed, He is the all-hearing, the all-knowing.
ومن آياته الليل والنهار والشمس والقمر لا تسجدوا للشمس ولا للقمر واسجدوا لله الذي خلقهن إن كنتم إياه تعبدون.
And amongst His signs are the night and the day, and the sun and the moon. Do not prostrate to the sun nor the moon, but prostrate to Allah who has created them, if you are His bondsmen.
فإن استكبروا فالذين عند ربك يسبحون له بالليل والنهار وهم لا يسأمون.
So, if these, i.e., the disbelievers are arrogant, those, i.e., the angels who are with your Lord, hence proclaim His purity night and day, and they do not become exhausted.
ومن آياته أنك ترى الأرض خاشعة فإذا أنزلنا عليها الماء اهتزت وربت إن الذي أحياها لمحيي الموتى إنه على كل شيء قدير.
And amongst His signs is that you see the earth lying worthless. Then when we sent down water on it, it freshened up and grew forth. Indeed, He who gave it life will definitely revive the dead. Indeed, He is able to do all things.
إن الذين يلحدون في آياتنا لا يخفون علينا أفمن يلقى في النار خير أم من يأتي آمنا يوم القيامة اعملوا ما شئتم إنه بما تعملون بصير.
Indeed, those who deviate from the right way concerning our verses are not hidden from us. So, is he who will be cast into the fire better, or he who comes secure on the day of resurrection? Do whatever you wish. He is indeed observing your deeds.
إن الذين كفروا بالذكر لما جاءهم وإنه لكتاب عزيز.
Indeed, those who deny the remembrance, i.e., the Quran, when it came to them, do not ask about the state of their ruin, and that is indeed an honorable book.
لا يأتيه الباطل من بين يديه ولا من خلفه تنزيل من حكيم حميد.
Falsehood cannot approach it, neither from its front, nor from its back, nor any side. It has been sent down by the wise, the most praiseworthy.
ما يقال لك إلا ما قد قيل للرسل من قبلك إن ربك لذو مغفرة وذو عقاب أليم.
You're not to be told except what was said to the messengers before you, that undoubtedly your Lord is the possessor of forgiveness and the owner of painful punishment.
ولو جعلناه قرآنا أعجميا لقالوا لولا فصلت آياته أعجمي وعربي قل هو للذين آمنوا هدى وشفاء والذين لا يؤمنون في آذانهم وقر وهو عليهم عمى أولئك ينادون من مكان بعيد.
And if we had made it a Quran of a non-Arabic language, so they would have definitely said that. Why were its verses not explained in detail? Is the book non-Arabic and the Prophet an Arab? Say you, O beloved, it is guidance and cure for the believers, and there is deafness in the ears of those who do not believe, and it is blindness upon them, as if they are being called from a far-off place.
وَلَقَدْ آتَيْنَا مُوسَى الْكِتَابَ فَاخْتُلِفَ فِيهِ ولولا كلمة سبقت من ربك لقضي بينهم وإنهم لفي شك منه مريب.
And we indeed gave the book, i.e., the Torah, to Musa, so a dispute was made regarding it, and had it not been for a word that had already been decreed from your Lord, so the judgment would have been immediately passed upon them. And indeed, they are definitely in a deceptive doubt regarding it.
من عمل صالحا فلنفسه ومن أساء فعليها وما ربك بظلام للعبيد.
Whosoever does a good deed, it is for his own good, and whoever commits evil, it is for his own harm, and your Lord does not at all oppress his bondsmen.
إليه يرد علم الساعة وما تخرج من ثمرات من أكمامها وما تحمل من أنثى ولا تضع إلا بعلمه ويوم يناديهم أين شركائي قالوا آذناك ما منا من شهيد.
The knowledge of the last day is attributed to only him, and no fruit comes out from its peel, and nor does any female conceive nor give birth but with his knowledge. And on the day when he will call out to them, i.e., the polytheists, where are my partners, whom you associated? They will say, we have told you that no one amongst us can testify that you have partners.
وضل عنهم ما كانوا يدعون من قبل وظنوا ما لهم من محيص.
And they have lost what they used to worship before, and they have perceived that they do not have a place to escape from punishment.
لا يسأم الإنسان من دعاء الخير وإن مسه الشر فيئوس قنوط.
Man does not tire of seeking goodness, and if some misfortune reaches him, so he loses hope, despairing.
ولئن أذقناه رحمة منا من بعد ضراء مسته ليقولن هذا لي وما أظن الساعة قائمة ولئن رجعت إلى ربي إن لي عنده للحسنى فلننبئن الذين كفروا بما عملوا ولنذيقنهم من عذاب غليظ.
And if we make him taste our mercy after the hardship which befell him, so he will say, "This is mine, and in my perception the last day will not be established, and if I were to be returned to my Lord, so there is also definitely only goodness for me by him." So we shall definitely inform the disbelievers of what they did, and we shall definitely make them taste a dense punishment.
وَإِذَا أَنْعَمْنَا عَلَى الْإِنسَانِ أَعْرَضَ وَنَأَىٰ بِجَانِبِهِ وَإِذَا مَسَّهُ الشَّرُّ فَذُو دُعَاءٍ عَرِيضٍ.
And when we favor man, so he turns his face away and draws back to himself. And when some hardship reaches him, so he is the one with a lengthy supplication.
قُلْ أَرَأَيْتُمْ إِنْ كَانَ مِنْ عِنْدِ اللَّهِ ثُمَّ كَفَرْتُمْ بِهِ مَنْ أَضَلُّ مِمَّنْ هُوَ فِي شِقَاقٍ بَعِيدٍ.
Say you, O beloved, so tell me, if this Quran is from Allah, then you denied it. So, who is more astray than the one who is in far stubbornness?
سنريهم آياتنا في الآفاق وفي أنفسهم حتى يتبين لهم أنه الحق أولم يكف بربك أنه على كل شيء شهيد.
We shall now show them our signs in the entire universe and within their own selves until it becomes clear to them that indeed that, i.e., the Quran is the truth. Is your Lord not sufficient to be witness over all things?
ألا إنهم في مرية من لقاء ربهم ألا إنه بكل شيء محيط.
Listen, they are definitely doubtful regarding meeting their Lord. Listen, He encompasses all things.
صدق الله العظيم.